Hi, everybody. This is Kevin. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to make a quick video here to sort of wrap up assignment one. I want to show you one new tool, and I also want to show you um, how to print to PDF. Both are relatively simple. So the first is the tool that I'd like to show you, and that is the divide tool. Very handy tool. Okay. So let's say, for example, I want to figure out how best to place all of these little circles perfectly spaced in this opening that I have here. So the divide tool would be a great option for that. So let me show you over here how the divide tool works, and then we can apply it to the drawing. So I'm just going to make a line. Oh, I'll say 8 feet. Okay, there's an 8-foot line. I know it's 8 feet because I can tell over here in the length. And I'm going to divide that line, and let's go through the command. Just so you can make sure you can see the command, I'm just going to bring this up here. One thing neat about the command bar is I can move it around, and I can sort of dock it all the way on the bottom so it goes across my whole screen. So in order to do that, you just have to grab these little squares over here and sort of drag it around. If I bring it down, it sort of snaps to the whole thing. Okay, so I'm going to type in div for divide and hit enter. The select object to divide, I want to divide this one. It says enter number of segments. Let's say 10 and enter. Okay, it looks like nothing happened. All right, so what happened actually is it placed a point to make 10 equal divisions. And I can tell that that's the case because if I make a selection, I can see all those little points are placed there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal spaces there. So if you want to, say, for example, be able to see those a little clearly. Now, the good thing about those little points is you can snap to them. So if I hit line, hit enter, see here, and hover over that, it looks like it doesn't want to snap to it. So what I'm going to do, it wants to snap to the end of the line, but not the point. I'm going to go down to my snaps right here. I'm going to look at these, and I want to turn on node right here. Okay. Now with that on, if I draw a line, L, enter, it'll snap to all those little divisions. Now that's useful, but another even more useful is to be able to actually see those points from the get-go instead of these little dots. So the command for that is ptype, P-T-Y-P-E. That's like point type or point style. So right now it's set to dot. I'm just going to do, how about this circle and crosshairs and hit OK. Now I can see all those points. So I can use those to draw other geometry right from those points. But I definitely have to have my node my node snap turned on. Okay, so there they all are. All right, so let's just kind of run through that again. I'm gonna go ahead and delete all that. So let's say divide, div, select object to divide, select the line. I'm gonna put in 50 and hit enter. Okay. Now they're sort of overlapping each other, but those are all those nodes are in there. Now I can go to ptype and change this percentage of the point size. I'm just going to switch it to 1 and see what happens. Okay, there, they got a little smaller. And now this won't print, but I can add geometry to these areas to sort of print to them. So if I go C for circle, put a circle there and make the circle 1 inch, whatever the case may be, in radius. So there you go. That's the divide tool. Let me just run through that one last time. I'm going to go line, draw a line of 5 feet. I'm going to go div for divide, select that line and do 5. And there we go. We have 5 equal divisions, but 4 points were added. I can select those points, those nodes. I can change the look of those nodes to different geometries here. Point size, I'm going to just put 5. Hit OK. There we go. And I can, of course, snap to them by making sure the node is turned on. So that will definitely help you draw all these points. It also will help you put these lines in here and put these lines in here and then the hatches. So that's the divide tool. All right. I'm going to stop here and then I'll add the PDF printing video.